Hello everyone, welcome to Maths class, 9th class, chapter 2, Polynomials and Factorization. Exercise 2.2. Fifth question, if 2 is a 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, then find the value of a. If 2 is a 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, then find the value of a. ఇక్కడ 2 అనేది 0 of the polynomial అవుతుంది అంటుండు. సో లెట్ గివెన్ p of x equals to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. Given 2 is 0 of the polynomial. 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. Okay, that means 2 is substitute in this polynomial will get 0. P of 2 equals to 0. So here substitute in the polynomial x equals to 2. 2 of 2 square minus 3x అంటే 3 of 2 x equals to 2 పెట్టాలి. Plus 7a equals to 0. Next 2. 2 square means 2 into 2 that equals to 4. 2 of 4 minus 3 2 just 6 plus 7a equals to 0. 2 4 just 8 minus 6 is equal to 0. 8 minus 6 equals to 2 plus 7a is equal to 0. 2 రైట్ సైడ్ తీసుకెళ్తే ఏమవుతుంది -2 పాజిటివ్ నెంబర్ నెగిటివ్ నెంబర్ అవుతుంది. a is equal to -2/7. a is equal to